Hey, Seamus Trade Over Adventures, and have a little adventure coming up. Walked out of the trailer this morning first thing, and noticed that tire's flat. I got the triple axle. That is flat, and you might go first thing. All right, just pull the other because I have two spares. Pull the spare off and put it on. But what I want to do first is I want to jack the axle up, check the tire, see if there's anything stuck in it. If there isn't, I'll air it up and see if it holds air. And then if it's not holding air for some reason that I can't see, then I'll put the spare on. So let's go ahead and do that. So I always bring a jack. Now, I'm not necessarily a Pro Eagle family. I'm more of the Harbor Freight Badlands family. Great jack, just cheap. So let's check it out. Handle's too long. Tire's coming up. Alright. See unit. Check it. Now, I can't see anything obvious in this tire, so I think we're just going to air it up, see if it holds air, and then we'll check back in a few hours and see if it's lost any. I have these sensors that are on this tire normally. I've had an issue with them. These ones that sense the air pressure and temperature on the tire. Well, I've had it happen where they've let air out, so that might be the culprit. And so airing it up will tell me if it's this or not. So we're gonna check that out. Add some air. I'll probably put it up like 50 or 60 pounds. I don't need to go all the way up to the trailer weight, just to see if it's holding air. I've got it all pumped up. I pumped it up all the way because I think that it's those sensors. We're gonna wait until, I don't know, later on tonight or tomorrow and then check it again. We'll see what happens. And it is the next beautiful day, so let's take a look at that tire. It was the sensor. That's what I thought. Second one that's done it. Well, guess I gotta look for a different sensor.